Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's cover the question. The given figure shows line A and B intersected by line K. Which of the following is sufficient to prove that A and B are parallel? Okay, here we have two lines A and B. Both the lines are intersected by the third line K. Then line K is called transversal. Now let me consider the angle over here, that is Z, and also consider this angle. So these two angles are vertical angles and they are equal. Since this one is Z, then this one also must be Z. And also consider the angle over here. So this one and this one, both of them are linear pair because they together form a straight angle. So these two angles add up to 180 degrees. We know that the measure of this part is Z. Now to get the measure of this part, we have to subtract this angle Z from 180. Then we get 180 negative Z as a measure for this part. Okay, since a transversal K intersects two lines A and B, let's consider some stuff on these four angles. Okay, now let's consider angle X and angle Z. So these two angles are called alternate interior angles. Okay, here if A and B are parallel, then these two alternate interior angles must be equal, that is X and Z. So that is, if X and Z are equal, we can say these two lines A and B are parallel. And also we can consider this one and this one. These two angles are alternate interior angles, and if these two angles are equal, then A and B are parallel. Let me write the stuff over here. That is 180 negative Z equals to Y. And also let's consider this one and this one. These two angles are consecutive interior angles. If they add up to 180 degrees, then A and B are parallel. That is Y positive Z equals to 180. So the same thing we can consider for this one and this one. That is they are alternate interior angles and they will add up to 180 degrees. That is X positive 180 negative Z equals to 180. Okay, here we got four results to prove that two lines A and B are parallel. In the given answer choices, I find this one in answer choice D. So this one is sufficient to prove that two lines A and B are parallel. The correct answer choice for this question is D.